So here we have a Bluetooth keyboard by 1byOne. This is a keyboard for like phones. It does work on a PC, but it uses Bluetooth, and it's supposed to be like really small. So let's check it out. The box is pretty basic. 1byOne does so-called cheaper range products, but they seem pretty cool and pretty nice. Oh, it's even glued. And that's the keyboard itself. It's folding, so that's why it looks like it. Looks weird actually, but there's a small manual. Let's see if anything else in here. There's a cable, and well, the package, nevertheless, it's basic, but it seems pretty good actually. So let's get rid of that. Don't need that. Right. And that's the keyboard itself, so that's how it looks like, and let's unfold it and let's see how it works and stuff. Here's a small manual. That's a USB cable. That's the micro or mini USB or what it's called. How do we unpackage this thing? Okay, it opens up that way, and she'll just slide out. Don't need that. And I believe it simply opens up. Let me show you from here. Ta-da! And it actually turns on, as you can see. Or what is that green light? What was that? Did it just turn on? Oh yeah, it folds back just like that. It doesn't have any lock or anything at all. There's a nice logo in here. And it simply folds back like that. It's pretty nice concept. I really like this. It's really nice, and all this nice surface. So let's show you a little bit closer how it folds. And that's for the charging, I guess. So let's see where the charger thing is here. And I'm guessing that's the battery in here. At least it looks like it. That's the battery. So I'm gonna test it out on my phone and see how it works. I have this small phone in here. That's Xperia X10 Mini, and it's really nightmare to like press the small buttons on it. I mean, like the virtual buttons. So I'm gonna just try it out on this one and see how it works. On a PC, I'm not absolutely sure if you can connect it up with this, but I will test it out and I'll just come back to it in a second and let you know if this is just for the charging or I can plug it into a PC and actually use it through this cable. So I had little problems connecting it up to the phone, but I got it working on the PC, and I will show you because I had some complications with it. But then again, it's not meant for PC really. But I will show you shortly how it works on a keyboard. That's why I'm showing it in here. What you need to do to pair is press this key, hold it down, and then press this C, which shows a Bluetooth icon. This is the function key, FN. I believe it stands for function. As you can see there, like I'll just show it a little bit closer. You see the blue text under the buttons? That's the secondary function. For example, if you hold this down and press any of the blue ones, then it selects the secondary function. For example, you can choose Android, Windows, or iOS, which is for the I guess I operating system, which is for the Apple products. So you have to choose which device it is. I'm not sure when to choose it. You can just spam the key, like hold this down. If you want it for like Apple devices, just hold this down and just press this few times. Also, the keyboard turns on once you flip this open. See, it goes on. And currently it is working for my PC, so if I will press something, then it will stop video recording because it's on the cancel button. But that's how it works. And to pair the device, hold down this key and press C, and make sure this indicator there starts blinking. And now that the device is discoverable, which means in your phone or anywhere, if you add the device, it will show up, so I will show it in my phone real quick. Right, so this is how it looks like for my phone. So you have can't really see what I'm doing. That's the Bluetooth settings, and that's the device in here. It says need to unpair it, I guess. I can't see what I'm doing, so unpair this, and on the keyboard I press this button so it blinks. Right, and on the phone it appears in the list. So if I click on that, I click again, I can't see what I'm doing. It connects. It says paired but not connected, and this is the issue I'm having. I can put it on the Android mode in there and it's still not working. It's probably just some settings in my phone that it doesn't like, but on the PC I will show you how to connect this up. So actually, before I move on, I want to explain just a few things. This is purely Bluetooth, so I tried with this cable, and this is just purely for charging. It does not connect the keyboard up to your PC, so don't even try. At least it didn't work for me. So instead I used this kind of thing. It's a simple Bluetooth, USB stick Bluetooth, which is like that. My PC doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth, so if you want to connect it up to your PC, you need one of these, and then pair it with this device, and then you can use it. So that's what I used. But on the phone, I don't know, my phone settings are wrong, it doesn't work in there, but it's quite easy. You just, as I showed you, just press the key and it should work fine. Works on the PC, so it will work on the phone. It's just the phone's fault that it doesn't work. So, and now I will show you how it's connected on Windows 7 in case you want to use it. Alright, and now I will show you how to connect this keyboard on Windows 7 using the Bluetooth, because I was having some serious issues with it, and it turned out to be very easy actually. So what we do in here is click on this Bluetooth icon. That assumably you have a Bluetooth enabled. In my case, I just plugged the adapter in, the one I showed you. Now what I do is I open the keyboard up, I press the function and the Windows, then I press function and the C, and then we will click add device. And what you want to do in here, you don't go next, instead you right click on it and click on properties. Then you wait a second until this thing finishes in here. Alright, this, if it doesn't work, then just click on Bluetooth tab and then click back. So what we want to do is check this box and apply, and that's all you need to do. You don't have to go next from there. You just go into the properties, services, click on that driver thing, apply, and your keyboard will be enabled. So, and now it will disappear from here. Simply close this and the keyboard is enabled. So if we go into anything, I just opened up the Google in here, so let's try to type something in here. I'll put this keyboard down and try to type whoops. What the hell was that? But it already shows my website and stuff, so it's a bit small, but as you can see it does work. So that's how you connect it up. And to disconnect, you simply go into the show Bluetooth devices, right click on it and remove device. Yes, and then just close the keyboard up and you are done. And this device can only be connected to one of the other devices, such as computer. I think it will actually work with consoles too. It should work if you have a USB device that the console can read. Some of the consoles do have Bluetooth, I believe. Yeah, of course they do. PlayStation 3 has Bluetooth, so I'm sure it will work with everything else too, but I have not tried it. On my phone, as I showed you, there was something wrong, it didn't connect, but I'm pretty sure it's phone's fault. As you saw, it worked on the PC, so here you have it, 1byOne mini keyboard. It's pretty awesome, I really like it. And the material is aluminium, by the way, the outside, so it's not plastic. And check in the description where you can get one of these, and I will see you next time.